Hey everybody, so me and Grunkle Billy are here at the storage space today, and we're going to see if we can try and get that the Ironhead up in the frame. That should be interesting. So we'll see you in a minute. Oh yeah, everybody, here's the latest tool that we got from Harbor Freight. It's a Hercules. This is the 1/2-inch brushless. It took me 3 months to make the money. So that's what I bought. Every time I get YouTube money, I'm buying a tool. So thanks to all you guys for buying me tools. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, everybody. So we got to get this thing out of here. We're going to roll it forward. Oh, there goes my peanut tank. Okay. Man, this is a big bitch. Holy shit. All right. All right, the next thing we've got to do is get the frame here. Get the frame.
Oh, you got that?
I got this.
All right.
Take this. All right, so I thought, we'd use a couple pieces of these foam that I sit on, and we're just going to set this down on the ground, and we're going to carefully tip this motor on its side. The guy that I bought this from was like, oh, here's a tip, try to, lay it down, and then we're gonna set the frame on top of it. So I think that's what we're gonna try. We'll set up the foam, and then we'll get this thing tipped on its side. It's gonna be like on the carburetor side. All right, so when me and Mr. J, Big J, we had a hell of a time getting this into the back of the truck, so this should be interesting.
What side do you want it laying on?
The carburetor side, this side.
Okay.
So there's less stuff over here, and this is I think this is going to be the better way.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the heavy side.
Okay.
So all we got to do is just lift it up and set it on here first, or kind of right next to it.
Yeah.
Right? Just watch out for this. We got to watch out for this hose right here. Oh, this isn't that bad.
You want to put it on over its side yet?
Yeah, hang on. Let's get... I think one of these foams will be enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that. Yeah. Okay. This wasn't the worst thing. Now we get a look at the ugly underbelly of this thing, too.
Yeah.
This kind of sucks what's going on here. I don't know what this wire is. We're just going to... I don't know what we're going to do with that. We'll figure it out. This clutch... I don't know. We're just going to... I'm getting a new clutch anyway, so... Really, I just like to take it out, but I'm going to leave it.
Tuck everything in for now.
Okay. All right, now we can grab the frame.
All right.
And... maybe this way. Okay. And then, so these holes,
yep,
they'll line up. There's brackets here. We got to put those brackets on. And this will line up back here.
Right.
Let's just get it kind of on top first, and then we'll get all the brackets. That's fine. It's a seat bolt or whatever.
Let me find those. Okay.
Kind of...
okay, I'm kind of lined up, more or less.
All right, so let's get the hardware and stuff, and then we can kind of look at this. All right, so we found the box with all the parts. Some of these are new, some of them are used. Oh, what's this pipe that's all bent over? So I've got the these are the front mount kit. It's got long bolts. It's got some pieces to go in. These chrome pieces go in between here. I don't know where these... I think these little bolts go up front. Let's just start digging in here, and we will see. Like I said, my buddy said this was going to be the easiest way. I don't know. I left the books at home, of course. All right, I think, after looking at this, we've been kind of staring at it, and, there's these weird biter washers. I got a Colony front kit or whatever, I think we're going to lift this up and set it on the frame because it's not quite fitting the way that we have it right now. Okay, now let's pick it up and move it onto this piece of foam.
Yep, let me move this. And if you will keep the motor steady.
Okay.
Let's see.
Holy shit, I can't believe you just lifted that thing by yourself. All right, now we got to try and see if we can line up these brackets somehow. So, got these here. Okay, and then this other one, and this is the master bolt on the other side. Let me come around to this side. Holy shit, Billy. Come forwards. Who needs a crane when you got a Billy? Put it on the back milk crate maybe. Yeah, that's much more. Okay. That's much more stable. Okay. Oh, and I need a spacer, right?
And a washer.
Can you lift?
You want me to lift the engine or the frame?
Just the engine a little bit.
Sure.
There we go. And then let me get a washer.
Yep.
Apparently, I'm going to have to do some more. Go ahead. A little bit more studying to figure out how this works. But at least we're getting the motor in the frame.
Yeah, we got it sitting in there.
So let me put a...
You got all 4 bolts in?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just need the other plate.
I need the other plate.
And your nuts is this.
And the nuts. These nuts?
This plate, it shows it right there.
Okay.
See? Says, because I don't know.
So these 46...
is the washer, and then this looks like the plate goes right up against this because I don't see anything in between.
That's what I said. It didn't make any sense. Like it was all fucking
and
weird.
if you hold the
yeah, it's
there you go.
Pretty close.
These two have to go back.
All right.
But the washer has to stay. There.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Okay, watch your feet, bring it down. Okay.
There we go. Easy peasy.
Japanese. Yeah, see, it's starting to deform this thing. Yeah, it's too much weight for it. Okay. I need a motorcycle lift, everybody. Chip in and get me a motorcycle lift.
And get it from Harbor Freight, but then we need a generator.
Yeah.
Get one of those hand crank ones, I guess.
Yeah. All right. Let's. All right, hang on, guys. We're going to take a break for a second. All right, everybody. I think what we're going to do first is, we got the bolts in. Maybe we try and get the bolts for the Tomahawk in the back. But I'm going to take pictures of what we have and the bolts that we have, and have my buddy Mr. Johnson tell us. My buddy Mr. J. tell me where these
Jackson,
go.
if you're nasty.
Mr. Jackson, if you're nasty. Right, so all right. Let me pause this. All right, I think what we're going to do is we're going to leave the fronts alone now that we got the bolts in there. That fourth bolt, there was a fourth one that it's like a fine thread or something, so that was really weird.
Yeah.
But see if we can put in these rear mount bolt kit, and we'll ask Mr. Johansson what he thinks.
Yeah, big thanks to Mr. Jefferson.
All right, so obviously I don't quite understand how this goes together yet. We need to look at the book some more. We need to talk to Mr. J and find out what the deal is. And then these back mounts don't seem right. They seem like they're far too long. I thought they were only going to be like 2 inches long or something like that, and they're 6 inches long. I don't know. It's weird. You know, I've got my my book here, Give me that book. I got my book here, and you know, looking through it, I'm like, no, this seems right. You know, it seemed correct. So you know, the front mounts, there's really no there's no instructions to any of this, and you know, I'm sure all you Harley guys are gonna be laughing at me, but this is my first attempt. But at least we got the motor in the frame. Let's we'll take a quick walk around this thing. You can see it. Hang on. All right, so here you guys can see, I'm in the shadows here. You can see, you know, we got the mount plate on there. It's interesting, you know, we realized that the plate goes here. It did show that in the diagram, because I'm like, yeah, that's not right. These two bolts are coarse thread, and this guy way down here is a fine thread. And then, you know, the back mount, where's my finger? The back mount has a bolt attached to it, and that went in there. The top mount's going to go over here, I'm pretty sure. That's why this bolt is here. That goes there. Oh, easy. And then you can see back by the tomahawk. See, these are the bolts I was given for the rear mount. And yeah, this obviously is incorrect. So it feels like it shouldn't be that long. You can see I'm missing some bolts down in there. I don't know. At least we got the motor in the frame, which was the #1 goal. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna phone a friend, and we'll figure this out. It's probably going to be a quick video. You know, once I understand more of the bolts, and really, I mean, I studied that diagram, but you know, what do I know? I'm a Honda guy. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Easy.
Are you going to direct me, or?
I don't know. Well, so yeah, you're just going to lift it up, and then I'll pull this foam out, and we'll get this thing. Hopefully it won't collapse in here like it was doing before, because now we got the frame on it.
Yeah. You rolling?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to lift.
Yeah, and then I'm going to slide this
Pull and roll. Yeah, let's see. Okay, hold on a second. Maybe I can just grab it with my hands.
Deadlifting it. Get your legs in the way. There we go. There you go. Hey, nice motorcycle jack lift.
Haven't made one like it in 62 years.
Nice.
You want to grab the back of the cart and kind of lift over everything.
Oh, I think I just got a hiatal hernia.
Oh, hold on.
Back to your grave.
It's a thing of beauty.